will talk about how can you disable direct messages notifications on your Yelp app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you click here on push notifications, then it's going to take us to next step here. Click here on notification categories here, then it's going to take us to this list. Just waiting to open video here, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to direct messages, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's mean direct messages notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.